friends! Guess who? It's Magic Sea Bunny! Do you like my disguise? These are my new glasses. I'm using them to help you count today. We're going to do numbers! Yay! Hi, boys and girls. I hope you have your printing book ready. Turn to page 13. I think Magic C already told you we are doing numbers today. I don't know what he was wearing. That was a little crazy. Those glasses were way too big for him. Silly bunny. All right, so we are going to get our pencil ready. It is sharpened. We are holding our pencil correctly, and we are going to start learning our numbers. Not learning them. I'm sure you know your numbers, but let's write them correctly. So for these, we are going to start on the dot. You're going to practice the number 1 straight down. For 2, again, start on the dot. I've seen kids write their 2s like this. I know it looks kind of fancy and it's different, except to Mrs. Valor, it can sometimes look just like a backwards 6. And I get confused whether you're trying to make a 6 or a 2. So let's stick with this way of writing our 2, where we come around and we do a straight line over. For number 3, it's just the inside of a B. You're just not drawing that big line first. So do a B without the line. For 4, we make an L first, but a mini L. So come halfway down, across, lift your pencil, and draw a line through it. Now for the number 5, I've always done my hat first and then gone down and around, but I think it makes a neater number if you start with your line down, make the 5's belly, I call it a belly, and then put on his hat. For 6, there are 2 ways to do this. You can come straight like it shows in the book, but I am also okay with it if you like to start it in the center and make a bigger curve for your 6. So either way is a good looking 6. 7's going to come to the corner and diagonal. 8, make an S, make the letter S. See a magic C, backwards C, and then just come and try to catch up back to that dot. Okay? Number 9, come around to the middle. Now head back up to your starting point and then just draw a straight line down. 10, straight line down and make an O or a 0. Okay? Now, for today, I'd like you to obviously do that beginning practice. You can treat this part like a mystery number if you like. Now this one's specifically for the number 10, but if you'd like to play like a mystery number game, and instead of just practicing the numbers in order, you could have someone call out a number and you draw it. Or else, if you'd like to just practice those numbers, this is for 1. Go in order, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. Down at the bottom, I'd like you to write those numbers on the line. So make sure there's no box this time, but make sure you're bumping that line. So you stop when you hit the line, stop when you hit the line and over. If you happen to go too far, whoopsies, that's what your eraser's for. Maybe you try again and it's too small. That's what that eraser's for. Make sure you're practicing your very best handwriting. So try to bump that line. All right, friends, that's it for today. Just page 13. Yay! I lost my sunglasses. See you next time.